All right, camping full-time, traveling around the country full-time is a lot of fun until you get bugs on the inside, or mud daubers or wasps or hornets flying in on the inside. You don't ever know what part of the country you're going to be in, so you never want to invite the outside to the inside. The inside should be your home sanctuary, and so that's why we got these little guys right here to cover these vent holes. Now, a lot of times you get mud daubers in here, you get bugs in here. What mud daubers do is they come in here and they build nests in here. And then when you go to kick on your furnace, your heater, your propane, you get a lot of that. And sometimes it can ruin or gum up your heaters because they get all the way into your heater. So this will prevent the outside from coming on the inside. What you do is you get this heat resistant silicone little thing that's going to help protect your trailer. So that comes with it, and we do that, and now this protects that because you're going to be sitting right here. Now if you come in a little bit closer, you're going to see that they gave you this screw. So you want to take this guy right here and hook this up to there, and I don't have enough room to do that, so I'm going to need to loosen it up just a little bit, so I get a little more room. So now I can get that under. Okay, there we go. Now we got that hooked up to there. Now you just need to take and tighten it up. I do like to get this as tight as it will go because I don't want to take this off. And so when you're traveling down the road and anything like that, you want this as tight as it can go. So that's pretty tight right there. Nothing's going to get in there. No mud daubers, no hornets, no insects for me. All right, we're good to go just like that. And trust me, I've had wasps. I've had, like, how did you get in here? And so I did the research. And so if you're looking for something like this, this is really easy to install, and it ain't coming out. So you can drive with that down the road. It's not coming out.